A ChiroSecure research update. A study in the Journal of Manipulative and Physiological Therapeutics investigated whether there are alterations in cerebellar output in subclinical neck pain group and whether spinal manipulation before motor sequence learning might restore the baseline functional relationship between the cerebellum and motor cortex. 10 volunteers were tested with subclinical neck pain using transcranial magnetic stimulation before and after a combined intervention of spinal manipulation and motor sequence learning. In a separate experiment, 10 healthy controls were tested using the same measures before and after motor sequence learning. The transcranial magnetic stimulation measurements included short interval intracortical inhibition, long interval intracortical inhibition, and cerebellar inhibition. The subclinical group showed a significant improvement in task performance as indicated by a 19% decrease in mean reaction time, which occurred concurrently with a decrease in cerebellar inhibition following the combined spinal manipulation and motor sequence learning intervention. The control group also showed an improvement in task performance as indicated by a 25% increase in reaction time with no changes in cerebellar inhibition. Subclinical neck pain patients have altered cerebellar inhibition when compared with healthy controls, and spinal manipulation before a motor sequence learning task changes the cerebellar inhibition pattern to one similar to healthy controls.